If you've been searching for a home for a while now and you haven't really seen anything that works for you, it might be time to check these new builds. Normally, new home construction only makes about 13% of the total homes for sale. Right now, it's actually more than 33%. And if you think that means that builders are overdoing it, they're not. There's still an inventory shortage overall. It just means that you have more options in your search, and the best part is that they're brand new. And I know you're probably thinking the price point might be way out of reach, but the difference may actually be smaller than you expected. So whatever you're searching for something locally or willing just to go a little further away in the suburbs, just take a look at those homes together. There's a lot of new constructions in Lakeview, Chicago, Lincoln Park, all over the city and in the suburbs. So if you want to talk, I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago, and I also work the Chicagoland and suburbs. 773-550-4846.